This is an original 75-gallon water heater built in 2001. I noticed how the venting right there goes down, then up, and this little manual packet has been living here since 2001, and you could actually see some evidence of backdrafting. It almost follows the exact shape of the flue diameter. So like when this water heater first starts up, if that's a real cold flue, there's all that cold air that's really hard to push through for something that naturally drafts. So I just thought it was pretty interesting how you could see basically the spillage line.